Hi, welcome to this video on Excel data entry covering data types, Excel interpretation, amending text and the tab space and arrow keys. This video is recorded in November 2020 and I'm using Excel 365. Other versions may look slightly different. So in Excel, data is entered into cells. You can enter any data type as demonstrated in the previous video, and Excel will try and interpret that data. If you put in text, Excel will left justify it. If you put a number, Excel will right justify it. And if you put a date, Excel will format it. To enter data, select a cell and start typing. As you type, you'll see the text appearing in the cell and also in the formula bar. And when you've finished, if you press the Enter key, the Tab key or an arrow key, it will accept the addition. That was me pressing the Enter key. If I put some more text in, and I press the Tab key, it'll take me to the cell to the right. If I press the arrow down key, it'll take me to the cell below. If I press the arrow right key, it'll take me to the cell to the right. And each time it accepts those additions. And I'll press Enter. You can put up to 32,000 characters per cell, so there's plenty of space. To amend something that you've already put in, you can either double click it like that, or you can click in the formula bar and then you can make your amendments. Now during amending, the arrow keys now behave like arrow keys. So I'm pressing the left arrow key and the right arrow key. So when you're adding, if you use the left or right arrow key, it will accept the addition and move to another cell. But when you're amending, they behave like ordinary arrow keys. So I'll make a change. If I press Enter, it'll accept that change. If I go back in there and I make another change here, and I think actually I don't want that change, if I press Escape, it'll disregard that change and take it back to what it was. If you don't select the formula bar, or you don't double click in here and you just start typing, it's going to overwrite what you put in there. And if you do that by accident, well, you can just use the undo button and it'll undo your last action. Now remember, text is entered in a cell. So if there's a lot of text that there is here and it goes beyond that cell, the text is still only in that cell. So if I want to make a change between mission and impossible, that data is not in the F column, it's still in the D column here. It's just going across the screen a little bit. Now if there was text in this cell to the right, if I put some text here, then you're not going to see the rest of this data. It's still there, but this cell hides the rest of that text. So remember, there might be lots and lots of text, but it still belongs in a single cell. And to amend it, you've got to select that cell and then select or double click it and select the formula bar. That is the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful.